MotorWeek is made possible by Rock Auto.
The Toyota Camry is not only America's favorite car, but has long been the benchmark for midsize family sedans. But in recent years, recalls, natural disasters, and new rivals like the Hyundai Sonata have put the Camry on the defensive. Well, now the Camry is switching to offense with an all-new 2012 edition. So let's see if the Camry should stay a winner. The 7th generation 2012 Toyota Camry aims to keep you safe, secure, but also entertained during your efficient everyday drive. That last part foretells an alteration in Camry philosophy, as Toyota wants this new era sedan to attract a younger, more tech-savvy, as well as environmentally conscious family car buyer. But the new Camry has to first appeal to the visual senses before it can lure more youthful customers into the showroom. Rather than go for a swoopy look like the Hyundai Sonata, the Camry designers took an edgy, if still very evolutionary path. Our red metallic Camry SE test car exudes modern cues with strong character lines, flatter sides, and a wider stance. The front end looks ready to inhale the road with an aggressive spoiler-style 3-port lower inlet. The wide, sharply contoured headlights connect a shorter mesh grille. Other Camrys, including the hybrid, have an attractive 2-bar chrome grille and a large single-port lower opening. Wedgy fog lights are standard only on the SE and XLE. With a full-length shoulder line up top, rocker panel extensions below, supported by handsome 18-inch alloys, the SE's profile looks appropriately sporty. Same for the rear view with a trunk lid spoiler, sculpted lower fascia, and dual chrome exhaust tips. Other models are less overt, but all include huge talon-shaped taillights that are definitely distinctive. Unlike newer competitors, the Camry still offers a V6. The carryover 3.5-liter in our SE rates 268 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque. The base engine is the familiar 2.5-liter i4 with 178 horsepower and 170 pound-feet. Both the 4 and 6 are manual mode 6-speed automatic only, although the SE does add paddle shifters. The hybrid's 2.5-liter has been revamped for more efficiency with a combined hybrid drive CVT output of 200 horsepower, a boost of 13. Hybrid fuel economy jumps to 43 city and 39 highway, now handily beating the Ford Fusion hybrid. But that's due more to the new Camry losing weight, honing aerodynamics, and adding more efficient tires than just powertrain tweaks. Even with carryover engines, the i4's government ratings of 25 city and 35 highway are up 3 miles per gallon each, with the V6 gaining 1 each at 21 city and 30 highway. Every new Camry generation brings more comfort and luxury. While both exterior and interior dimensions have barely changed, the cabin feels bigger and is richer. The handsome dash is dressed with better materials and even real stitching. Details are more artful. The hooded overlapping gauges with twin LED readouts are crystal clear. Switches are oversized and easy to reach. The user-friendly center console puts the shifter and cup holders side by side. Bluetooth is now standard on all Camrys, along with a USB port with full iPod integration. But a backup camera is an option. SE and XLE V6 Camrys include a 6.1-inch touchscreen for navigation, stereo, trip functions, and Entune. Entune, Toyota's new multimedia system, links with smartphones for apps access to Pandora and Bing, as well as traffic, weather, and sports schedules. 10 airbags protect all those front and rear, with all seats more comfortable. Legroom is up slightly in the back with standard split 60/40 folding seatbacks. Cargo volume is up slightly to a reasonable 15.4 cubic feet. Driving alongside the Colorado River and on twisty roads near Roslyn, Washington, we were impressed with the Camry's effortless ride and competent composure. With the hybrid's electric steering now across the board, we found quick response and good feedback. The front strut rear dual-link suspension is up to every mission this car should typically endure. The car is also amazingly quiet. Our SE is the sportiest model with a firmer suspension tuning and tauter ride, yet it still delivered a ride that you can handle all day without fatigue. And here's more good news. Most 2012 Toyota Camry prices are the same or lower than last year. A high-volume LE drops $200 to $22,500. The SE at $23,000 is $965 less, while the XLE dives $2,000 to $24,725. Even the Camry Hybrid begins lower at $25,900 or $1,150 less than before. The 2012 Toyota Camry continues as a well-focused solution to America's family sedan needs. Only now it's younger looking, more luxurious, more tech-savvy, and more fuel-efficient, plus for core buyers, less expensive. If that doesn't put rivals on the defensive, we don't know what will.